Excel supports so many file formats that they are enough to confuse anyone. This video helps you to understand these formats. Let us press F12 and look at the list of formats that Excel can save files in. Some of these formats were introduced in Excel 2007 when Excel increased the number of rows and columns in a worksheet. .xlsx and .xlsm are two of those. In .xlsx format, you cannot save macros. If you want to save macros in the file, use XLSM format. .xlsb and .xls are Excel's proprietary binary formats. .xls is the old one used before Excel 2007. Single file web page and web page formats save the files in HTML and can be opened in a web browser. Some files like invoice, expense reports, etc. are such that they are used again and again. They may contain formulas and macros that are necessary for proper functioning of the file. These files are saved as templates. Excel TX can be used to save a template file that does not store macros. Excel TM files are template files that can store macros. XLT is the old template format used before Excel 2007. Text tab delimited files are used generally for data exchange. Excel 5.0/95 file format was used before Excel 97. CSV is the comma separated value format used for data exchange between computers. Windows version of CSV is different from Mac version. Excel add-in is used by Excel developers to provide custom bespoke applications developed using Visual Basic for applications. PDF is portable document format introduced by Adobe. So now let us see how these file formats are important in real life. I'm using the latest version of Excel and I have this conditional formatting applied on these cells. And I have also written this text data lost in the last row of this sheet. What will happen if I save this file in an older version of Excel? This functionality, which was not available in the older version, will be lost. Or if not lost altogether, it will be degraded. Because Excel's older version did not have that many rows, the data that I have written here will definitely be lost. So there is always the danger of data loss if you save the file in an older format. So before saving the file or sending it to someone with an older version of Excel, you might want to check what is getting lost if you save it in an older version by going to Info and check compatibility. It opens up a tool which is called Compatibility Checker, and it tells you if there is any significant loss of functionality that will happen if you save it in an older version. So it shows you two sections, significant loss and minor loss. And it then shows you some error messages and tells you the version of Excel that does not support them. So in Excel 2003, that is Excel 97 to 2003, there were only 65,000 rows. So data will definitely be lost. Then there is some minor loss of fidelity also. On this box, you can also see which versions it is checking for. So if you remove 97 2003 from here, it will not show you those errors. If you remove Excel 2007, that means these versions support whatever you have in this file. Excel 97 and 2003 and Excel 2007 are the two versions which do not support all the functionality that you have in this file. So be careful while saving files in an older version, or check for compatibility before sending it to someone who is using an older version. I hope this video was helpful in understanding some of the file formats that Excel provides. Please share, like, and subscribe to my channel.